So what we were trying to do on this survey is we wanted to understand more about cold water coral habitats in the submarine canyon. So we went out west of Ireland, 360 kilometres beyond Dingle, to the Porcupine Bank Canyon, which is really like a natural laboratory. It's the westernmost of the European submarine canyons, and it's detached from any terrestrial influence, any pollution. So it really records what's happening in the ocean.
Seabed mapping enables us to observe and predict changes in weather, climate and ecosystems. AORA is the Atlantic Ocean Research Alliance, which facilitates the coming together of scientists from the broader Atlantic basin, US, Canada and Europe. There has been a lot of collaboration in areas of seabed mapping, aquaculture studies, ocean observation and ocean literacy, and that's communicating the value and importance of our oceans to the public.
For this survey we've been mapping, sampling, exploring a massive submarine canyon in the northeast Atlantic. To do this we've been using state-of-the-art mapping technologies on the ROV Celtic Explorer and the Holland I ROV.
We mapped this canyon in a lot of detail, which gives us not only a map but gives us a record of some of the processes that are recording in the canyon landscape.
Seabed mapping is vitally important and Marine Institute and Geological Survey Ireland, through the National Seabed Mapping Programme and Infomar programme in recent years, have demonstrated the really important connectivity between the shape of our ocean floor and the ocean circulation above it. This drives our climate, our weather, the movement and productivity of the seafood resources within the ocean.
This has been an Irish-led research cruise funded by the Science Foundation of Ireland, the Geological Survey of Ireland and the Marine Institute. We've had scientists from the US, Brazil, Europe and Africa all working together in collaboration to understand this important part of our seabed.
We're all working in different spheres of research and expertise in an area that's complex and expensive to do research. So coming together and sharing of this knowledge is vitally important to get a better understanding of our ocean ecosystems.
We've managed to image 1,800 square kilometres of seabed, which is approximately twice the size of Malta. We've revealed stunning details of a submarine canyon that starts out at minus 700 metres water depth right down to 3,000 metres water depth. Along the edge of the canyon we've noticed these unusual cold water coral habitats in the form of a lip that extends for 28 kilometres along the canyon lip.
Some of these deep water corals form reefs similar to their tropical counterparts, and they feed on particular organic matter. So they're intrinsically linked to the surface ocean. They're sensitive to changes in our ocean, but they also record those changes in the geological record of the coral reef. So we're fascinated by them, and they're very important for us to understand how the ocean functions.
AORA facilitates common research and knowledge exchange for us to provide healthy, resilient oceans for our future generations.
It's absolutely humbling to know that you've been part of something that's understanding a resource, that's understanding the seabed.
Ireland really punches above its weight, and it's really good to be able to showcase the kind of things, the kind of research that we can do, which is of global importance and is part of the rich international science which is trying to understand how our oceans work.